I compiled a list of 11 high-paying certifications that can significantly enhance your chances of landing on a remote job in 2024. These certifications are not only affordable, but also offer valuable skills that are in demand across various industries. Whether you're inclined more toward creativity, technology, or business, there's something here for everyone. So without further ado, let's dive into the list. Number 1, Meta Social Media Marketing Certificate, offered by Coursera in partnership with Meta, formerly Facebook. This certificate can be your gateway into the business or marketing industry. Digital marketing skills are incredibly valuable in today's job market, and this certification can help you kickstart your career. With a flexible timeline and affordable pricing, it's a solid investment in your future. Number 2, Google UX Design Certificate. UX design is all about creating seamless user experience, and this certificate equips you with the necessary skill to excel in the field. While the competition might be stiff, a killer portfolio combined with this certification can open doors to lucrative opportunities. Number 3, Salesforce Sales Operations Certificate. If you're interested in sales, then familiarizing yourself with Salesforce CRM can be a game changer. This certification prepares you for roles in sales operations, offering a pathway to rewarding career in sales. Number 4, Google Project Management Certificate. The Google Project Management Certificate is next on our list, and is actually one of my top 3 favorite certifications. Over 1.3 million people have taken this certificate, giving it a stellar 4.9 star rating. The program consists of 8 courses. Number 1, Foundations of Project Management. Number 2, Project Initiation. Number 3, Starting a Successful Project. Number 4, Project Planning. Number 5, Putting It All Together. Number 6, Project Execution. Number 7, Agile Project Management. Number 8, Capstone course, which focuses on applying project management in the real world. Although it's estimated to take 6 months to complete, the self-paced nature means many finish it in just a month or 2. The median entry-level salary for project managers is around $73,000 per year, with ample job opportunities, as evidenced by the 479,000 total job openings in project management. Additionally, upon completion, you gain access to an exclusive job board connecting you with over 150 U.S. employers. Even the most critical individuals have nothing but praise for this course, making it a solid choice for 99% of aspiring project managers. While there are other certification programs available, this one stands out for its comprehensive curriculum and industry recognition. Number 5, Google IT Support Certificate. The Google IT Support Certificate might actually be my number 1 favorite certificate. It was one of the first certificates Google introduced in partnership with Coursera, and nearly 1.4 million people have taken it. Despite being a few years old, it still maintains a stellar 4.8 star rating. This certification opened doors to various entry-level IT jobs. The career prospects are impressive, with roles like help desk technicians earning $47,000 to $69,000 a year, system analysis making $91,000 to $135,000 a year, and IT directors commanding salaries ranging from $160,000 to $257,000 annually. While it's advisable to supplement your knowledge with additional certificates, online courses, or free resources like YouTube or Khan Academy, the value offered by these certifications at just $49 a month is unbeatable. They provide a real chance of securing a job in the field, making them the best bang for your buck in the industry. Number 6, Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Certificate. While digital marketing encompasses various specialties, this certificate provides a broad overview of the field. It's a great starting point for exploring different aspects of digital marketing and discovering your niche. Number 7, Google Data Analytics Certificate. With the rise of big data, data analytics skills are in high demand. This certificate equips you with the tools and knowledge that is needed to analyze data effectively, opening doors to a wide range of career opportunities. Number 8, Web Design for Everybody Certificate. Web development skills remain valuable in today's digital landscape. This certificate, offered by the University of Michigan, provides a solid foundation in web design and development, preparing you for roles in this field. Number 9, IBM Data Science Certificate. Data science is a rapidly growing field, and this certificate from IBM can help you tap into the potential. While landing on data scientist roles might require additional experience, this certification sets you on the right path. Number 10, IBM DevOps and Software Engineering Certificate. DevOps expertise is highly valuable in the tech industry, and this certificate can help you acquire essential skills in this area. With guidance from industry experts, you'll be well prepared for roles in software engineering and DevOps. Number 11, IBM Cybersecurity Analysis Certificate. As cybersecurity threats continue to evolve, there's a growing demand for professionals in this field. This certificate equips you with the knowledge and skills needed to support organizations from cyber threats, making you a valuable asset in today's digital world. In conclusion, investing in certification can be a smart strategy for advancing your career, especially in the remote job market of 2024. Whether you are looking to break into the new industry or enhance your existing skills, these certifications offer a pathway to success. Remember, the key is not just obtaining certification, but also continuously learning and adapting to stay ahead in your field. So explore your options, choose the certification that aligns with your goals, and embark on your journey toward a rewarding remote career. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to share with others that they might also benefit. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.